Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are exploring the captivating journey of Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramhans Yoga Anand. Get ready to embark on a spiritual odyssey unlike any other. Lesson 1: Early Life in India. Follow Yoga Anand's childhood in India, where he discovers his spiritual inclinations and begins his quest for enlightenment. Explore Yoga Anand's formative years in India, where his spiritual journey began. From his childhood encounters with saints and sages to his deepening interest in yoga and meditation, Yoga Anand's early life laid the foundation for his lifelong quest for enlightenment. Lesson 2: Encounter with Spiritual Masters. Learn about Yoga Anand's profound encounters with spiritual luminaries like Sri Yukteswar and the insights they imparted. Yoga Anand's encounter with spiritual masters, particularly his guru Sri Yukteswar, was pivotal in his spiritual development. Through these meetings, he gained profound insights into spiritual guidance that shaped his path and teachings. Lesson 3: Journey to the West. Yoga Anand's journey to the West marks a pivotal moment in his life as he ventures from his native India to United States to share the teachings of yoga and meditation with Western seekers. This journey is filled with challenges, adventures, and profound encounters that shape Yoga Anand's mission and impact on the world. Lesson 4: Founding of Self-Realization Fellowship. The founding of Self-Realization Fellowship (SRF) marks a pivotal moment in Yoga Anand's life and in the spread of yoga and meditation in the West world. Established by Yoga Anand in 1920, SRF serves as a spiritual organization dedicated to promoting the teachings of Kriya Yoga and providing seekers with the tools for self-realization and spiritual growth. And 5. Mystical Experiences. Mystical experiences explore the extraordinary visions, revelations, and encounters with divine beings that Paramhans Yoga Anand described in Autobiography of a Yogi. These mystical experiences were found moments of spiritual awakening that transcend ordinary perception and offer glimpses into higher states of consciousness. 6. Teach of Yoga and Meditation. Yoga Anand teaching yoga meditation are profound and transformative in practical techniques for spiritual awakening and self-realization. He emphasizes the importance of regular practice and provides guidance on various aspects of yoga, including postures, breathing exercises, and meditation methods. 7. Insights into karma and reincarnation. Gains wisdom from Yoga Anand's teachings on the universal law of karma and the soul's journey through lifetimes. Anand delves into the profound concept of karma and reincarnations, shedding lights on the interconnectedness of life and the soul's revolutionary journey through multiple lifetimes. 8. Search for Enlightenment. Witness Yoga Anand's relentless pursuit of self-realization and his unwavering dedication to the path of enlightenment. For enlightenment is the central theme of Yoga Anand's spiritual journey in Autobiography of a Yogi. It represents his relentless pursuit of self-realization and ultimate union with the divine. Lesson 9: Legacy and Influence. Paramhans Yoga Anand's legacy and influence far beyond his lifetime, as his teachings continue to inspire millions of people worldwide. Through his profound wisdom and spiritual insights, Yoga Anand has left an indelible mark on the world, guiding seekers on the path of self-realization and inner peace. Embracing Divine Love. Divine Love played the core message of Yoga Anand's teachings, that the ultimate goal of spiritual practice is to realize and embody divine love. This love transcends personal attachments and extends to all beings, fostering unity, compassion, and harmony in the world. With 10 enlightening lessons from Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramhans Yoga Anand. May his lifeless wisdom guides you on your own spiritual journey. Thanks for us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, may you walk the path of self-realization with grace and inner peace. Signing off, Maheshwari.